Hey guys, this is Jamie and Lola Tallulah. I know I have videos all up today. Well, this is Jamie and Lola Tallulah Poet Spice, and I am doing a haul video, which is a small kind of haul. And then at the end of this video, I am going to be doing my Tonic craft kit unboxing. So if you like Tonic, wait till the end of this video so you can see it. Okay, so I got in stuff from the Not Too Shabby Shop, Diamond Press, and from Crafter's Companion actual website. All right, so let's get started. We will start with the Not Too Shabby Shop because y'all know I love that shop. I just did a DT video and whatever. Okay, so let's look at this. She has a new release from Avery L, so go check that out. This video is not sponsored. These are all stuff that I purchased with my own money. So she's got new stamp sets up from Avery L, LDRS, which I talked about in the previous video, and some other things over there, so go check that out. But this stamp set I loved. I love flowers, as you guys probably know, because I have so many flower dies. It's ridiculous, as well as flower stamps. But I love poppies and peonies. So this was very cute. I liked it. It had a different flair to it. And so I bought that in the die set. We knew the die was coming, right? We knew that. So I was trying to be good. And I went back to get the other little darlings, and I want to add this to my previous statement about little darlings. So in my video, I did basically a spotlight for the DT. This I purchased with my own money, so it's not sponsored either. But this country kitchen is what I went back to get in the die. It is so cute. So if you are not hip to LDRS, get hip to it. I don't know who says hip anymore, but you know, whatever. Get turned on, twizzled, twerk. Well, I don't know, whatever the kids are saying these days. I'm not a kid, so whatever. It's groovy. No, and I wasn't born in the 60s either, so no. Anyway, so this stamp set is so cute. And there's the die. So in this set, this piece here cuts out the whole cabinet, but then these pieces here, and you don't cut them apart. So these little bars that are here, normally you would think you cut those apart, but in this case you don't, because you're going to use this whole mechanism if you want to, and then it'll go back and cut these doors and drawers so that they open, so you could stick little things behind it and in it, which is so cute. And that's also why you have the teeny tinies of it all with the other pieces. Now, like I said in my previous video, if you would like to see me demonstrate coloring those little pieces because they are so small, you can leave that comment below. So there's that. Now, what I wanted to say here is the fact that LDRS is very different from other companies in that if you look at this, all their dies are already cut apart for you. And it's awesome because at this price point, like if you look at Lawn Fawn, their dies are expensive and you have to go back through and cut those mugs apart, which I do not like. So there you go. LDRS, you don't have to do that, which is lovely. Also, I don't know if Jamie's going to get these in. She has old ones. I don't know if she's getting the new ones in, but Honeybee Stamps is now also doing where all the dies are cut apart. All right. So the next things I got were some Nouveau glue. Love it. Expensive, but love it. And then these were my free with $60 purchase. And that's what I got from the Not Too Shabby Shop. All right, so then I got in my order from Crafter's Companion website. So I'm going to show you those. The first one I got was this. Now, this was on HSN, but I didn't want to pay what they wanted for it. And the one, they had it in a bundle, and I didn't really want the other one. I just wanted this one. So Crafter's Companion had it on for $16, and now I'm a Platinum member, so I get 20% off of that, which made this way cheaper than buying it on HSN. So that's why I bought it there. So cute. Can't wait to play with that. Now, my previous video, I talked about how, oh yes, there's not that much out for Christmas so far that has piqued my interest. So it's kind of disappointing because Christmas is my favorite. Crafter's Companion had these on. These were on HSN previously as well, last Christmas, and they had these as a bundle. That was $16, I think. It was $16 maybe and some change. Plus I got a 20% off discount because I'm a Platinum member now. So that was lovely. And so I ended up paying like 14 something for both of them instead of like the 20 something that they wanted on HSN. So that was lovely. Then speaking of, they do have a new set of Christmas peekaboos that they released on the website in the UK. These are now coming to HSN on the 14th, which is next week. But I already have the two I wanted because I bought them from the UK. So I love the penguin. And look at his little bum. This is what kills me about them. They're so funny. Although what I wish they would do is if they're going to do the outline from the front, I wish they would do the whole die for the back. They do give you a word, but I wish they gave you the whole one for the back too. So look at his little face. And look at his little bum. He's standing on his tiptoes. And the little lines around it like he's shaking or something is hilarious. And then they had a polar bear, which you can make a brown bear too. And then how funny is that? The bear has a sweater on and his little tail. And the fact that they are on their tiptoes just kills me. I don't know why. That is just so funny. All right, so there's that. Now, I ordered something from Diamond Press. On their Facebook group, they had a discount code and free shipping. So I was like, what? You know I love that. And it was so fast. I ordered it and it was here within 4 days. So they had this on HSN, but they sold out. And at first I wasn't interested in buying it. And then I got the little shaker set and then I was like, oh yeah, we need to go back and get this. So this is their large shakers that fit the marquee. So it comes with these dies and they have a little die where you have confetti and you have all your pieces that can go in and cut out. Then you have this piece which cuts the foam and your little decorations. You have 2 stamp sets. So it says, thank you, congrats, happy birthday, celebrate, and thinking of you. And this one says, hello, friend, and a little flower center. What? You always get a folder. They give you some metal shims so that you can cut through. They give you the acetate, and then they give you the foam. So I was like, yeah, buddy. And with free shipping and the coupon, it was a little cheaper than buying it on HSN, which I always like a deal. What? Yes, I do. I don't like paying full price. Okay, so now let's get to the nitty-gritty. We got a tonic kit. So this is this month's tonic kit. And I'm going to lift this up, so hold on to your lunches. We don't want you to get all sick and stuff. So, tonic kit, tonic kit. Y'all know I love me some tonic. Some tonic dies. So if you are not on this tip, you need to get on this tip too. You can tell I'm a child of the 80s. So you open the box. They give you this whole paper of what's in the kit. This time I need to keep it only this one section. So I remember what the name of this paper is. Because when I say this paper they have, this one sheet, I am in love with. Because it is, number one, it's blue. So from the box you could see a little bit of the blue shades going on. Yes, you could. So this one is called White Wonderland, which is kind of funny since it's all blue. But then if you really look at snow and stuff, when you look at it in pictures, it's not really white. It has a blue or a gray tint or yellow if somebody peed in it. Ew. There's going to be a birthday celebration with some exclusive dies coming out on the 20th. So we got to see what that's all about. All right. First, you get a Tonic craft binder so that you can put your sets in here, which is fabulous because I'm running out of space in my other one. You get the Tonic sticker, and I usually just stick that on top. And then let's get with the Nouveau stuff because it's out, and then in the paper. So here's the paper. We get 24 sheets, and it's kind of like this muted blue. I'm not going to open it, but it's kind of these. So those are the patterns. I like this blue right here. So it doesn't necessarily scream Christmas because there's like no snowflakes, or I guess it's a snowflake pattern. But you could use this all year round if you wanted to. Then they give these things look like ice cream. They give you these little sponges, these 2 little sponges. Wah, wah. Oh, I'm a rocket ship. Pew, pew, pew. These little sponges that you can use. All right, I'm having a problem. I'm sorry. You get this blue blizzard glitter. I hardly ever use glitter, but because it's so messy. right? And then they have these iridescent ice, they call them ice stars, which are cool. Now this does look very wintry. Mix it together, you've got winter. Boop, boop, boop. And you've got a spritz, which, I don't know, does it say what it is on here? It will on the card. Peacock. This is Peacock. And you have a Nouveau Jewel Drop. I love these. These are like the translucent ones. I love them. And I might actually have this color. Love it. Then you get 2 mousses. So you get an embellishment mousse. And normally I take these out of the thing, but I can't find my scissors. And it's this lighter blue. And then you have the expanding mousse, which when you heat it, it puffs up in this fabulous color. I need fingernail polish that color. Lovely. Let's do the paper, and then we will do the coup de grace. This is the paper. Oh my gosh, do you not love that? It's a blue holographic iridescent, whatever you want to call it. Look at that. And you can see my lights on there. Look at that. And then look at this beautiful stuff. This is called their silver pinstripe. I don't know if you can see the ridges. You can hear it. Oh, that's some nasty. That's not even what I was going to say. I was going to say some nice paper. And of course, you know, this is blue, so it's beautiful anyway. We've got this one, which is a pearlescent. This one, which is that like handmade cotton Indian paper. And they use squares this time instead of the circles. And then you've got this piece. But that blue holographic, Lord, that is some beautiful paper. This is like the Jason Momoa of paper. Because, you know, he's hot. Hot! Jason Momoa. That man is gorgeous. Lord have mercy, that was a good day. Oh, it's kit 33. 34 is next month's kit. It's kit 33. My apologies. 33. So look at this, y'all. Look at this. 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 Look at it. Look at it. It's pretty. So you get a stencil. And I actually like the design of this stencil. So I can't wait to try it. So you got your little design here and your little poinsettias in the middle with a Christmas sentiment. So, yes, yes. Then look at this die set. What? So you've got the outer die, this inner die that will cut the detail. You've got another die. This die will cut the detail into that. You've got another die, and the detail will be cut into that. So fabulous. Gorgeousness. And then the center part has more. So let me see. Let me check the size because I'm not sure. So yes, 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 yes. So these dies will fit in the center. So you've got a straight edge center, a scalloped, and then a dotted. Now these will cut out. This one will only put the perforation into it. So then you have 3 designs. You've got some bells, a Christmas tree, and what is this? Baubles that you can put in the center. So cut these. You can have it like that, and then you can put your design there. So it would come out looking like that. Then, of course, you could take, if you took this layer out right there and didn't use this, there'd be nothing there to say that this was Christmas. And you really could use this because only the corners really look like holly leaves. And if you didn't want it to be holly, you wouldn't have to. Or you could put something different on top to make it not look like Christmas. And then they give you they always give you a small stamp set. Happy holidays, merry and bright, and then some little cutie things. So how cute is that? Awesome sauce. You know I would love that one because it's blue. All right, thanks for watching my haul video and then my unboxing kit, and I shall see you guys later. Check out my subbies challenge because it's still going on until the 18th, and it's very simple to play. You can either email in or you can email and send in, and then do a video response. So go look at that video so you can see what you need to do. It's very simple, very easy, very cheap. And there you go. All right, thanks for watching, you guys, and stay safe.